Yo, back on the trap top. So losing streak is over. We won 2 trades today. This S&P trade, it was just an unfortunate story, and I guess we can start with this. So to start off, the S&P 500, bearish on the daily, bearish on the 4-hour. However, the hourly was bullish, and the 15-minute was bullish as well. However, from what we learned from our trades yesterday, we realized that we got to take the higher time frames into priority. And what I saw pre-market, I saw that, hey, we came up into this order block, we broke 5-minute structure to the downside, market opened, pushed right up into here. If we go on here, pushed right up into these like little 1-minute order blocks. Then we broke structure to the downside. Then what did I do? I waited for price to boom, come into equilibrium, and then we got a reaction off of it. I entered off of this candle close. I got a horrible fill, ended up getting filled like right here. Price came up into drawdown for a little bit, came down, hit our take profit 1, barely missed our take profit 2, and then look at this, guys. Caused me so much pain. Stopped me out by this much. Turned around, hit our take profit 2, and it looks like it's still going to go lower. But nothing really to complain about on this because money's money, and it proved to me that I knew where the market was going to go. So there's really nothing to complain about here. Hit our first take profit. I only made like 3.6K on this trade because first of all, this first take profit wasn't even a great risk to reward ratio. In fact, it was a pretty terrible risk to reward ratio. However, it was a high confluence area, and I set that there on purpose because it was an hourly low, and I was not willing to risk this thing coming down, sweeping this hourly low, and then turning right back around because we were still technically bullish on the hourly and bullish on the 15-minute. Okay, so that's why I set it there. Moving forward, we are still currently in this gold trade. We can go over this real quick. We were bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly, bearish on the 4-hour, however, bullish on the hourly. So similar setup to the S&P where we were bearish on everything except for the hourly and the 15-minute. However, again, something similar. We had this hourly order block right here that I marked with the blue. Price spiked up, tapped into what you could say was a bit of an accumulation area before price ended up selling off, maybe like a smaller time frame order block. Price spiked into that, broke structure to the downside, and then all I was waiting for was that third confirmation, which for me was a push into equilibrium, push into this order block, and then boom, a sell-off and a rejection. We get this rejection candle. That's why what I entered off of. Stops were above here. First take profit was off this 15-minute order block right here. Second take profit is just the hourly low right down here. Third take profit is another hourly low. Fourth and final take profit is this 4-hour low, which I honestly think price should be able to hit if we end up breaking hourly structure, which we technically have not done yet. So that's something interesting I would like to see. Off this gold trade, my phone's charging in the other room. I think I made 13K from this. I think I'm up 16 grand on the day, which is good. Ate back 1.5 of our losses. So on the week, I'm still down 10 grand because of those 2 losses that we took earlier. Just because that S&P trade, that win was a pretty it wasn't terrible. Money is money, but like I didn't make really any money from that S&P 500 win. However, this gold trade was like a normal win for me. So hopefully we can hit take profit 2, secure more profits, and even better if we hit all these take profits, that would be amazing. Maybe we can cover those 2 losses that we took earlier in the week and then set ourselves up for a good trading day tomorrow on Friday. But yeah, that's the little trade recap from me so far. Up 16K with still more room to run. Hopefully you guys appreciated this video. We're doing trade recaps. We're still going good. Remember, Discord is closed. I did like a little surprise sale that I forgot to talk about on YouTube, unfortunately, but I pretty much dropped the Discord for like a day. It's back and closed up now. So if you saw that, you got in when you could, but it's closed until the 1st through the 7th of every month. Remember, I open up the paid Discord from the 1st to the 7th of every single month. But other than that, if you want like some sort of informational value, there's a bunch of value on TikTok, a bunch of value on YouTube, and in my free Discord, which is linked in the bio. So that being said, I appreciate you guys. I'm praying that gold hits this take profit too, so we can keep running up this bread. I'll catch y'all. Stay safe, stay up, stay blessed. Peace.